So in this video, we're going to look at two-factor authentication and what you need to know about it. Now, two-factor authentication has many different parties. First is Rust the user, and they might want to use apps like the App Store, Google Play, PayPal or Gmail. And when they want to use those, they've got to talk to a two-factor authentication server which dishes out the 2FA codes. But how do they all work together? The first thing is the user will sign into the app that they want to use. In this case, it's the App Store. The App Store then talks to the authentication server, which fetches some codes to give back to the user. It then sends the two-factor authentication code back and they can sign in. But what does that look like in practice? Let's have a look. So you can see here that I'm signing into the iTunes App Store and I'm entering my details there. And I'm just going to type in the password. It won't let you see it, obviously, because it's my password, but I'm typing it in. And what's going to happen is when I sign in, it's going to pop up on my phone to say that I've asked for a two-factor authentication code. I click allow and it will give me the code. Again, it won't show you because of security, but I can type the code in there and it will sign in. But what are the problems? Timing out can be a problem. You generally only get 30 minutes to enter a code. You could have too many authorized devices, only 10 accounts per phone work. Or you could get locked out if you try too many times, or if you lose the device that you're working with. Very often people will change their mobiles, but forget to change the details on their device and account. But what are the best ways around it? I would say don't use two-factor authentication wherever possible. It causes more problems than it's worth. The other thing you can do is get your school or your organisation to enrol in mobile device management, which allows your IT departments to send apps and manage the devices without the need for constantly using two-factor authentication.